Hi, I'm Cindy Lee from Cindycut. I know how important it is to always have the products you trust exactly when you need them. That's why we offer Cindycut Standing Orders. Your premium hair replacement products are delivered right to your door, automatically, on your schedule. No last-minute reordering. No worrying about running out. Just consistent quality, convenience, savings, and confidence every single day. With Cindycut Standing Orders, you can relax knowing your hair replacement essentials are always taken care of. Cindycut, consistent quality, always beautiful. Start your standing order today. Call 888-596-HAIR or visit cindycut.com. Beautiful hair, beautiful you.